we guide you through how to fix app not opening on Android. So first, completely close the app and open it again. If that doesn't work, restart your phone. Next, check if the app needs an update by opening the Google Play Store, searching for the app, and tapping updates if available. If it's still not working, go to Settings, tap Apps, select the problem app, then Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your app data. If the app still won't open, check your phone's storage and free up space if it's almost full. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app to fix corrupted files. And finally, make sure your Android system is updated. After trying these steps, open the app again. In most cases, one of these fixes should get the app working normally.